Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming Resolve 17 or newer and placing the clip on the timeline. This matters because Fusion's tracker runs best with current tools. Once in Fusion, add a tracker node connected to media in so you can sample facial motion. Position a small tracking box over a high-contrast facial feature like an eye corner or nose bridge, then set the frame range to cover the whole shot. This gives the tracker consistent data and prevents drift later on. Now you configure the tracker for accuracy. Add 2 or 3 points on stable facial landmarks so motion is averaged and jitter reduces. Increase search size slightly when motion is quick, and set the reference frame where the face is most frontal. This helps the algorithm find matches. Track forward, then back, and inspect the path. If you see bad frames, stop, resample that landmark, or remove erroneous points, because manual fixes here save time in compositing later. Finally, pipe the tracker data into the node you want to drive, like a transform for stabilization or a paint/mask for retouching. Linking the tracker's center to a node's center applies motion automatically. Once done, add slight smoothing and feather any masks to hide small errors and maintain natural movement. If drift or jumps show up, split the clip into shorter segments and retrack or drop in manual keyframes. This targeted rework fixes most tracking.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.